Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share this VR with you for Craft and Create by Gracie. She has a giveaway challenge going on right now that it's going to end approximately, I think it was February 18th is when she's doing the draw, and I believe you have to have everything in by February 13th. It is open internationally. What she is looking for is a loaded envelope, and she has some certain things that need to be in the envelope. So the prize for it is she's going to gift a loaded envelope that she created and a $25 gift card. I'm not sure, probably if it's the States, it's going to be something different. If it's Canada or internationally, it would be something different as well. So I'll put her link down below. Make sure you head on over there, and there's still plenty of time that you can take part in it. But I wanted to share with you what I created. So it was a loaded envelope. So I created this super adorable little loaded envelope, and I made a little boo-boo. Not everything is going to fit in this little loaded envelope, and everything she wants should fit into it, but this isn't going to fit. So she'll have extra little pieces in behind or whatever. So that was what I created, and I liked how, you did the little pieces here that show you have the star on it, so that it looks like the shirt is open, is kind of how I look at it. So it has two little pockets in the front, because I put a little extra vellum piece there as well. And then it has a pocket in the back, and as well as that pocket there. So she's looking for a Memory Dex card. Let me see if I have my note here. Oh, under there. Okay. A Memory Dex card, 4 bows, a pinwheel or rosette wand, 2 handmade greeting cards, blank on the inside, and 3 tags, small, medium, and large. And I think the large is to be like 4.5 by 6, and a flip book. So again, she wants it in the mail by February 13th, and she's going to do the draw February 18th. So again, I created that. So the stuff that's going to try and stuff in here, my 3 tags. I created this tag. I'm not very good at tags, so I try. Anyway, so I did this one, and I have it on some good piece in the center, and I just layered it with polka dot paper, and did the little, whatever they're called, you know what I mean, those things there. And then I put some seam binding on the top, and I just did the trim from Hobby Lobby that I got from a stash. And it has some eyelash trim, and I showed you this embellishment that I created. So I wanted to use some of the stuff that I have. So the only thing I don't like is how these pieces here are, it's too long. It just, I don't know, but it's still super cute. So I'm hoping that she'll love it. The paper pad that I tried to use or stick with mainly was this Blush Glam. I love this paper. It is absolutely beautiful. So I used that, and some other vellum pieces would have been probably from Michael's or Atlanta Crafts. And yeah, so I kind of try to stick with a little bit of the same. This one, it says Shine Bright, and it has the polka dot on the back. So I put a piece on the bottom that would match there. And this part came from the paper pad as well, with that little seam binding up there. It's really, really cute. Oh, the eyelets. So I did the eyelets on all 3 of them. And then this one, I did this one as well. And it says, You Make Me Smile. So that's super cute. And then I just used some scraps that I had from all this stuff that I was creating, and just put it on the top and the bottom. Super, super cute. Now, I kept these pretty plain and simple, although I'm finding now that my crafts, I like to do simple and clean. I kind of see that that's where I'm going to. I was always unsure. So I'm keeping these a little simple and clean for her, so that she can, if she wants to re-gift them, then she can add to it if she wishes. The other ones things I made were these cards. It says, You Make Me Smile, using the same paper pad. And inside, I just put the piece, she wants it empty, so I put the piece loose in case she wanted to use a Misty or something, or stamp it and do her own. And I added a little flower that kind of matches the color of the outside of the card. And then the other one I have says stop and smell the roses. And then I did the same thing on the inside as well. So I did that one as well. This paper pad is just beautiful, just beautiful. I did these bows. Now I've already had these created from a while ago. So, and I believe I did project share a long time ago on them, and I just love them. And I love when they're backed with the vellum paper, just super, super pretty. I did a rosette wand, and that was my rosette wand. So that turned out super adorable. And I've showed you project share on this little embellishment here that I added on there, and just added some different colored trim, keeping again with the rose, with the pink and the rose gold, and just did like that. And on the back is that there. Super, super adorable. My Memory Decks card is this here. Now with my Memory Decks card, this was gifted to me for my giveaway challenge that I had last year. And this mesh was gifted to me from giveaway challenge. They packaged it in their items with it, and I just kept the whole thing, and I'm going to reuse it. All my info is on the back. So I did that, and it just has a little Tim Holtz thing that says the gold that glittered, and then I just added some flat back pearls on it and some ink of Stella. So I did that. And then the last little piece that I have is she wanted a flip book. So I did this little flip book. What I did was I put a brad on the front and made it, I didn't use it, it's not an envelope flip book, I just did a regular flip book. So I put a brad on here, and then I backed it with a circle just so you couldn't see the little metal pieces. And then on the back, I did like a belt loop to hold the ribbon in it. So then when you open it, it's like this here. And I got this from, I think it's scrimpymummy.com, or Scrimpy Mummy. But that was, I believe, her creation. And so then I just added some polka dot here to keep with the gold theme. Added a little heart and some eyelash trim. This here is a pocket. And the whole backing in here is a pocket. And obviously this piece here is a pocket. So I just added some pieces from different flower paper and from the flower paper from that paper pad that I just shared with you. So then I created that. So that was everything that I created. It's not going to all fit in the envelope, Gracie. I apologize. So my envelope was just a little too small. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you're able to just, take part of the giveaway, please do. You have till February 13th to get it in the mail. If you're in the US, it would be more so February 13th. Internationally, obviously, it'll take a lot longer to get to her. So if you can't, please, and if you're not subscribed to her, please head on over to her channel. You'll absolutely love her. She's a sweetheart, and I just adore her. So again, this is for Craft and Create by Gracie, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you're taking care and staying safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.